Hello, I am Frank. I'm product manager of Industrial Switch. Today, I want to talk about the trend and the application in video surveillance market. Okay. We are an industrial switch and a wireless product vendor. Okay, and our headquarters is located in Malmö, Sweden, and we joined Bear Group in 2011. Okay, so there are many different vertical market for our to target, and there are two in the industrial application. The first one is in building, including like the energy and some other smart building. Okay, and then second is for the marine. Okay, no matter is on the sea or over the shore, and the third one is for the energy. So we have some like energy product solutions. The next one is for the water. Okay, such as the wastewater or some like the environment. Okay, and we have many success story in the water. Okay, and then the next one is for the infrastructure, including like the city or the country, the infrastructure. Okay, and the next one is important as well for the transportation. Okay, such as like the railway or highway or many others. Okay, and then the final one is for the manufacturing. Okay, including such as like the machine automation or the facial automation. Okay, as you can see, there are so many multiple application. Okay, we have a different solution, no matter for the wired and the wireless. Okay, and today many want to talk about the video surveillance. Okay, in our industrial and for some market trend. Okay, so as we can know, the video surveillance is getting more and more important. Okay, especially for like after the COVID-19. Okay, sometimes we need to do like the city security or some to the other more convenient technology. The video surveillance is very crucial. Okay, so there are a great variety and many different trends. Okay, so you can see for the point one. Okay, they are getting higher resolution application. So it means the higher bandwidth demand. Okay, for the networking product. Okay? And the point number two is for the PoE technology. Okay, as you know, the PoE it means the power over Ethernet. So in the traditional, okay, maybe just the switch can provide only the data, but with the PoE, okay, the power over Ethernet, the RJ45 cable not only provide the data, can also provide the power, okay, to the end device. Okay, so it can enable to many different applications. Okay, and it increase the higher possibility and the scalability. Okay, and the point number three is the wireless technology. Okay, because we know sometimes with some limitation or some boundary. Okay, it cannot suitable to the wired solution on this environment, and so the user will choose the wireless. Okay, so wireless technology will enable the unlimited boundary. Okay, and then the final one is to the higher data redundancy with very short recovery time. Okay, I will introduce this four trend later. Okay, so for trend number one, okay, higher resolution application and higher bandwidth demand. Why? Why the higher resolution demand is demand so fast? Okay, because the technology is evolving. Okay, so like the fast recognition, okay, or some smart city, even for other application, the traditional speed is not maybe like 10 mega or 100 mega is not fast enough. Okay, because sometimes because the resolution is getting higher, so it means the bandwidth will getting higher as well. Okay, so traditional the 100 mega is not enough to many some new application. So for while we see the trend lines for the 1 gig, even for to the 10 gig, sometimes the customer will use the 10 gig to do some uplink. Okay, it means that the higher bandwidth, it can transmit the data more faster, right? Okay, so for a higher resolution application, you will derive to bring about the higher bandwidth demand. Okay, so for we current product, okay, we are all the gigabit product are available, and we have some products support the 10 gig as well. Okay, so we can suitable for the trend number 1, the higher bandwidth demand. Okay, and this is a real case in some highway surveillance. Okay, because sometimes nowadays the passenger want to know the real time situation. Okay, in the highway. So sometimes they can use their app or some software, okay, to check if there are some update real time highway. Okay, so they can use the highway surveillance to check the real time situation. So the customer they would demand a higher speed. Okay, so in this case, the customer all choose the 1 giga. Okay, and they can connect to the 10 gig uplink for the recommend. Okay, so what's our winning point? We have all 1 giga and including some 10 gig. Okay, for the recommend switch. Okay, and the second one is for the wide temperature design. Because in this application, the customer install the switch in the outside. Okay, so the temperatures will over maybe like 50 degree or something like that. So they will need a high wide temperature. And for we current product, we support the wide temperature for -40 to 75. Okay, so we are most very suitable for this highway surveillance. Okay, so for the trend number 2 is a PoE technology involving increasing the possibility and scalability. Okay, so you can see the PoE, as I mentioned, these are power over Ethernet. So now with the PoE, the RJ45 can bring in the power and the data together. Okay, so you can see the many standards about the PoE. From 2003, is a standard IEEE L2.3F. Okay, which can up to the 15 watt. Okay, in 2009, okay, like 80 standard comes up. Okay, it has support up to the 30 watt. And in the latest, the PoE technology is called PoE plus BT. Okay, and the maximum power output is up to the 90 watt. 90 watt, so we can image is very huge, right? Because 90 watt can even power on a PC. Okay, so with the PoE, the involving from F to AT to the latest PT. Okay, so there are many new applications has come up. Okay. So you can see from the F to the AT to the BT. So with the BT, we can not only to power on the IP camera, you can also power on many different applications, such as the access point AP, also like the kiosk, also to other like a nurse call, or to other the post system, or to very high end, very high IP camera, maybe like with the different like a PTZ dome IP camera. Okay, so for with the BT standard, okay, finalized in 2018. So we can see there are many different BT devices, no matter for the switch or for the camera or for others. Okay, we believe it will come up in the near future. Okay, and for current there are a series we call the Generator 15200 series product. Okay, we support to the BT solution. Okay. And these series are very flexible. They are a great variety of product solution from 8 to 10 to 12 and to even to the 16. Okay, so customer can very easily to choose the suitable one. Okay, so this is the trend number 2 with the PoE technology. Okay, and the trend number 3 is for the wireless technology enable unlimited boundary. Okay. So this case is in Taiwan. Okay, this like this city in Taipei. Okay, the customer they cannot use the switch because these are is a cultural. Okay, and the customer want to connect the IP camera. Okay, and connect to the wireless AP and to the cloud directly. Okay, because they are not so easy to use the switch. Okay, so they choose the wireless. Okay, to transfer data. Okay, so for this solution, okay, we provide a Wi-Fi product. Okay, there are many advantage. The first one is for the easy installation. Okay, because they just use the wireless to transfer the data. Okay, so it means that there are many convenient maintenance, and they have very flexible networking and the strong scalability. Okay, so if a customer want to do like or to add on in the future to add on IP camera or to the Wi-Fi IP, it's very easy. Okay, so it means it's very strong scalability. Okay, so this is trend number 3. Wireless technology enable unlimited boundary. Okay, and compare with the current and other, like a networking product vendor, I think our mainly important key is no matter for the wired and the wireless product, we are very, very a great variety of product from the wired and wireless. Okay, so customer can easily choose the suitable one about the industrial networking. So that's the reason the customer will to use our solution, because we are very great variety from the wired and wireless. Okay, and for the trend number 4, okay, it's data redundancy with very short recovery time. Okay, and for we current product for our industrial switch, we all will design follow the standard. Why? Because once you follow the standard, you can easily connect, integrate with other brand product. Okay, so that's a reason. Usually we will convince customer if they are standard available. Okay, just use the standard. It's just like a language, right? Okay, because everyone talk about the standard language, you just follow the standard language. It will be better for the maintenance or to integrate with other brand in the future, right? Okay, so for our Windows design, we will follow standard from the legacy like the STP or to RSTP, even to the latest RIP protocol called ERPS. Okay, so the recovery time is up to the 15 to 200 milliseconds. Okay, so that's our very important trend number 4. The data redundancy with short recovery time, and usually the standard will follow. Usually recovery time will follow standard. Okay, so this we can see a trend. The customer, they don't want to use the proprietary; they want to use the standard. Okay, so this is our very key and important point. Okay, and this is about the application. Okay, so for the fast recovery time with service monitoring, these are basically in this is the customer use the DIN rail, okay, and the support and the DIN rail and use our some JCOM product, which are the PoE injector. Okay, so customer use the PoE injector and for the PoE for the switch and follow the ERPS. Okay, so up to the 15 milliseconds, and then connect to our mount layer 3 switch. Okay, so our winning points are outdoor and the long distance. That means data transmission, and the customer choosing the ERPS. Okay, and the next one is the customer choose the 10K solution. Okay, so this is our application with the fast recovery time for the service monitoring. Okay, and the final one is talk about our service story in the Norway. Okay, internal application. The customer choose the PoE switch and our document switch. Okay, so you can see there are 3 different products. Customer has using the one is for the PoE switch. The other 2 is including the layer 2 and the layer 3 switch. Okay, and our winning points are first one is for the quality of a PoE switch. Okay, because these are we have a higher EMC protection, and for the PoE this kind of design. Okay, so the quality is very important. Okay, so the customer choose our solution based on our quality. And the second point is we have the many like different PoE technology, like the PoE power PT alive check. It means once the device has some issue, okay, we can power on, okay, for the camera, okay, so it can easily be recovered, okay, and like the PoE scheduling or the PoE priority, these are all to ensure, okay, the PoE switch to be working properly. And we support the final one is similar. We support the latest standard read. Okay, so customer can easily integrate with the switch and other product. Okay, to follow the standard read. Okay. Okay, so okay. Okay, so for surveillance solution, and this page talk about our network switch. Okay, you can see from the layer 3 to layer 2 to unmanaged switch. But for layer 3, we not only provide like a RAID command, there are many like rail or like M12 product available. Okay, so there are many suitable in different applications, such as like for the automation or to the city surveillance, even to the like the rolling stock for like a railway product. Okay, so there are many different for the layer 3, and for the layer 2, or to the unmanaged the same. Okay, we have a different type from the thin rail, okay, to the recommend, and even to the M12. And then for the port combination, like from the 5 port and even to the 28 port, we are all available. Okay, so we can see there are a great variety of product solution. Okay, the customer can choose the most suitable one. Okay. Okay, and for wireless, where you can see there are so many products. Okay, including from the indoor to outdoor. Okay, for the outdoor, we will design like an IP67, something like that. Okay, and for the indoor, there are many from the Wi-Fi, cellular, and Wi-Fi or LoRa. Okay, so you can see, as I mentioned, compared with other vendors, networking vendor, we are good not only in the wire product, we are also have many products in wireless as well. Okay, so customer can always choose the most suitable one, and sometimes they will use the wired and wireless in the same environment. For example, we have some story in the HEB application. Okay, customer use the Wi-Fi AP, okay, our client for HEB, but for the factory they are using the wire switch, digital switch. Okay, so that is very key. Okay, to customer, they can easily to choose the wireless. It means we will do the service like to integrate, okay, between the wired and wireless, and sometimes maybe some intention or some boundary. Okay, customer, we want us to do the on-site, okay, check-in on-site service. Okay, they are easily because we are the same product, right? So it means our capability will be higher compared with the others. Okay, so I think for surveillance we are have many good technology. Okay, and have many different applications, and most important, we have a very product for the wired and wireless. Okay, so customer can choose a different product to fit, okay, their environment. Okay. Okay, so I think I just use some slides to talk about our solution application. Okay, I believe the surveillance will getting more and more important. Okay, in the future. Okay, because there are so many applications has come up. Okay, so it means that for the switch, especially for industrial switch or wireless product, okay, we are getting more and more important. Okay, so if you have any like surveillance, this kind of question or some question, just feel free to contact us. Okay. Okay, so today is about my my presentation. Okay, if you have any question, just feel free to contact us. Thank you for your time. Okay, bye.